Good morning, children. Today we will revise the book exercise of chapter 2. Okay. Before that also we discussed this exercise, but why we are doing this again? Because today I am going to use the brush to show you the answer. Okay. Before this I explain you all the things only in oral form, but today I am going to use the brush so the things will be more clear to you. Okay, children. So see the first question. Take the right answer. Children, options are given. Four options are given in this question. Okay. In all the question, so you have to choose any correct option and put the tick in front of that. Okay. So see A part. Hair grows on our. Children, hair grows on our which part? First palm, second stomach, third forehead, fourth head. So the correct answer head. Okay, children? Correct answer head. B part, we pedal our bicycle with. How we are able to drive our bicycle? How we are able to pedal our bicycle? With which part? First hand, second legs, third palm, fourth fingers. So the correct answer legs. Okay, legs. C. To sit down on the floor, we bend our. To sit down on the floor, which part we bend, children? First elbow, second foot, third knees, fourth stomach. So children, we fold our knees. Okay, to sit on the floor. D. Tongue is inside our. First mouth, second feet, third ears, fourth nose. So tongue is present inside our mouth. Okay, correct answer is mouth. E. We hold our pencil with first toes, second fingers, third elbow, fourth mouth. So children, we hold our pencil with the help of our fingers. Okay. When you are going to write anything in your copy, then you hold your pencil with the help of your fingers. Okay, children, clear? Now move to the next one. So, children, see the second question. First of all, we will see the second, and after that, we will discuss the third one. How many of the following body parts do we have? Match them to the correct number. One has been done for you. So, children, in this question, one has already done for you, one has been already done for you, and what you have to do, you have to match the number with the organs which is present or with the body parts which is present in our body. Okay, so how you are going to match? You have to match the number of body parts. Suppose like how many body parts are present in our body, we have to match it with the number. Suppose eyes, how many eyes do we have? Two eyes. So match it with 2. Okay, match it with 2. Fingers count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So how many fingers do we have? 10. Match it with 10. Now third one already done. Fourth, legs. How many legs do we have? 2. So match it with 2. Arms. Children, in this diagram only one arm has given, but we how many arms do we have? 2 arms. So match it with 2. Head. How many head do we have? One head only. So match it with 1. And the last one, tongue, or you can say mouth. So we have only one mouth, one tongue. Okay. Like this way you have to match the number of body parts with this number. Okay. How many body parts do we have? We have to match it with the numbers. Okay, children. Now see the third question. Write the correct letter beside the name of the part of the body. So children, in this question, what you have to do? You have to write the letters in the correct place. Okay, like see here. A. See, A is written here. Okay, A is written here. Okay, so see which part. A is showing which part? Forehead. Okay, so you have to write forehead here like this. Clear? Now B part, what it is showing? Eye. So write here B. Okay, like this way you have to do. B. C part, nose. So write C here. D, mouth. Now go, now see, D is here. E, neck. Neck, E. Okay. F, arm. Okay. F. Clear? Now next one, G, stomach. Okay. So write here G. H, waist. Write here H. Okay. I, thigh. So I you write here. Okay. J, knee. Okay, write J here. After this K, K is our ankle. So write here K. L, foot. So write here L. Okay, children. Like this way you have to do it. Okay. Now move to the next sheet. Hot questions. Higher order thinking skill. So children, tell me, name the part of your body that you comb. So children, which part we are able to comb? Our hair. So write here. Okay, in this blank. Blink. Children, which part you are able to blink? Your eyelid. Okay. But children, you are so small and in your book only eye has given. So you write here eye. Okay. When you are going in higher section, higher classes, then we will discuss about eyelid, eyelashes and other parts of the eye. Okay. So here the simple answer, which part we are able to blink? Our eye. Now B part. Which part of your body do you fold together? Okay. To greet your guests. So children, which part of your body do you fold together? It is not asking you the which part do you join. What is asking in this question? Which part do you fold to greet your guest? So children, when guest is coming to your home, then you are welcoming them. Okay, you are greeting them. So which part do you fold? Your correct answer, you fold your arms. Okay, you fold your arms and join your hands to greet them. Okay, you fold your hands and you fold your arms and join your hands to greet them. Okay, so you write here arms and hand. Write both. Okay. Wait, I'll write below. Answer. Arms. We fold our arms and join our hands to greet our guest. Okay, children. Here we comb our hair. We blink our eye. Okay, children, clear? So, when any guest is coming to your home, then which part do you fold? Your arm. And after that, you join your hand to greet them. Okay? Now, children, revise all the things. Take care. Thank you.